Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and something that is a big problem from what I see here has been happening. This is a bug that actually has been in routers for more than 10 years, actually, that has been actually discovered. And it actually has a possibility to take control of your devices and turn your router and your devices into a botnet. And so it has to do with any type of router that has a firmware called Arcadyan. This is not every router. Not everybody is actually in trouble with this, but what is probably the biggest problem is a lot of routers that are actually given, or that you use with your ISP or your internet service provider, are actually maybe breached or can be easily breached with this flaw. And multiple vendors and internet service providers, including Asus, British Telecom, Deutsche Telekom, Orange, O2, Telefonica, Verizon, Vodafone, Telstra, and Telus, are in some of the companies that actually lease or actually give you routers or modem/routers that might be in the list of known problems. So this is a severe security flaw, and maybe you should contact your ISP if you're unsure. Some of the other routers that are actually affected: Buffalo, KPN, Beeline. So this means that you could be at risk, and there are several models that can be at risk. I will actually link to a page from Bleeping Computer where you can actually look at the article and also check the list of routers that they have that could be at risk. And this means that your router would easily be its login can be bypassed, and it can be turned into a botnet, meaning that it's controlled from a group of hackers to perform, for example, denial of service attacks and all sorts of problems, and even, of course, totally snoop on everything you do with your internet connection. There's literally millions of routers out there that are in this security flaw problem. Once again, the firmware that needs to be in the router is Arcadyan. So a lot of routers are okay also. A lot of big name companies don't seem to be in the problem. So like Linksys, for example, TP-Link, which are very popular, don't seem to be affected by this. But it's still millions of routers, because a lot of them are the routers or / modem routers that companies will lease to you, like your internet service provider. So link to the article is in the description below the video if you want to have more details of this flaw. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.